Hello lovelies, I hope you're well. I'm so excited to share with you my 5-day Be Unstoppable challenge. It starts on the 21st of September, Monday. We always start things on a Monday, don't we? And it is to fuel you with that feeling of being surprisingly unstoppable towards and into the experiences that matter to you. So it's for you if you've been feeling in some way stuck for whatever reason, or stale, or waiting to see what happens in the world before you decide what you want. It's for you if you've maybe been made redundant, or if you've had some sort of change in your life that you're ready to create a new beginning. It's for you if you have got some ideas of some experiences that you want, but you just need some help in getting moving with them. So I've created this 5-day challenge to ignite you from the inside out, from you getting really clear about what those things are, for you to get connected to them, for you to remove the blocks that are within your mind that could get in the way, for us to get focused on commitment towards them, and then creating some dynamic action that by day 5, you are already taking some action towards them. It's just getting that ball rolling. So if this sounds just like what you need right now, it is completely free. It's my gift to you. Sign the form below so that you can get the daily worksheets, the videos. I'll be in Facebook doing some lives each day just to keep that flame, that inner flame alight, and your goals, your dreams, your experiences and your outcomes, a feeling in your heart that they are inevitable, and that you have created in these 5 days a magnet within you, so that you start drawing towards you those very experiences, or even the opportunities to support you having those experiences, so that you feel totally and fully in the driving seat of your life. And that no matter what's happening around you, your life is still fueled with the experiences that you choose. Okay, my lovelies, let's have a great 5 days together, supporting each other and feeling unstoppable for what matters to you. Okay, any questions, give me a shout. But until then, I'll see you on the 21st. Lots of love. Bye.